everyone, we're going to verify this trig identity. First thing we have to do is get the common denominator. Our goal is to get this left-hand side equaling the right-hand side. And just recall this is really 2 divided by cosine theta, because that is what sec is. So we don't get confused. So we're going to get the common denominator. We have to take both of these. So that's going to be cosine of theta times 1 minus sine of theta. And when you have something like this for common denominator, you can just do the butterfly method and cross up there. So this is going to be 1 minus sine of theta squared plus cosine squared of theta. So I just cross that up. Now simplifying the numerator, I'm going to use my perfect square trinomial and expand. So I'm going to get 1 minus 2 sine squared of theta plus sine squared of theta plus, add this, cosine squared of theta divided by your common denominator. All right. Now we know with our Pythagorean identities, this one right here, sine squared theta plus cosine squared of theta equals 1. So now we have 1 plus 1 equals 2. So now we have 2 minus 2 sine, this shouldn't be squared, this should just be sine. Sorry about that. 2 sine of theta. All right, and I just substituted that to equal 1. Added these two together. Divided by cosine of theta times 1 minus sine of theta. All right. Next, let's do, let's factor out a 2. Remember our goal here is to get something like that. So factor out the 2, and you're going to get 1 minus sine of theta divided by cosine of theta times 1 minus sine of theta. All right. Now these two cancel. So now we have 2 cosine of theta, which we know equals 2 secant of theta. So we got our right-hand side here. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Weezy,